Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Triangle 215/75 R17.5 Radial Tire in a load range H, and it's on a 17.5 inch black solid center steel trailer wheel with an offset and an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. Now this tire and wheel assembly is designed for use on heavy duty trailers. The wheel is a heavy duty wheel. It is sturdy steel construction, and as we mentioned, it is a solid center design. It does give you excellent corrosion resistance, and it uses a black powder coat finish over an E-coat primer on the front and even on the back of the wheel. Now this wheel is a hub piloted wheel, which means it has a pilot hole right here, diameter of 4.76 inches, and it'll center exactly on the hub of your trailer. Basically, when you install this will exactly fit on the hub. Your studs will come through here, and then you'll put your lugs in onto the studs. If you notice the lug holes, they have no bevel to them because the hub pilot wheel will always require the use of 5/8 inch by 18 size flange nuts for installation, and those flange nuts we do sell separately on our website. Now this wheel also has a 1/2 inch negative offset, which means that the wheel moves away from the trailer frame. So basically what the offset does, the offset is measured where your mounting surface is right here and where it's located on the wheel. So if that mounting surface is right at the center of the wheel, that's 0. That's where the offset would start. So if you move that mounting surface on the wheel back this way, that's negative to the back of the wheel. If that mounting surface would be moved forward, that would be a positive offset. So this wheel is made with a 1/2 inch negative offset, which means the tire and wheel is going to move away from the trailer frame. Now the diameter on this wheel is 17.5 inches. The width, 6 3/4 inches wide. The bolt pattern on this wheel is an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. And if you want to measure that on a wheel that's an even number of lugs, like in this case 8, it's pretty simple because the lug holes are directly across from each other. So just pick any hole, measure from the center of that hole, directly across to the center of the hole right across from it. So on this it'll measure 6.5. So that's going to tell you this is an 8 lug 6.5 inch bolt pattern. Weight capacity on just the wheel is 6,005 pounds. Now this tire that's mounted on it is a premium multi-use steer and all-position radial tire. It is constructed with all steel belts to enhance durability and extend tread life. And if you go look at it this way, you'll be able to see they use wide shoulders on it to promote even wear and extend better traction. The enhanced casing package on this helps improve toughness and retreadability. Now the tire size, which will be stamped on the sidewall. Right here, you can see 215/75 R17.5. R means it's a radial. Section width is going to be right at 8.3 inches. Overall diameter from the bottom to the top when it's inflated is 30.2 inches. And this tire is a load range H, which means it's a 16 ply rated tire. Has a maximum load capacity of 4,805 pounds at 125 psi. And this tire does usually have a speed rating stamped on it. They stamp it on the sidewall. It's a letter designation. And where you'll find that is right after the tire size we went over. You'll see two numbers for a load index, and then you'll see the letter L. Speed rating L will mean this has a 75 mile per hour speed rating. But that should do it for a look at the Triangle 215/75 R17.5 Radial Tire in a load range H on this 17.5 inch black solid center steel trailer wheel.